Kia ora and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. In today's episode, we will look at measuring student engagement in the digital classroom. Student engagement refers to a learner's level of involvement, interest, and active participation in their learning activities and interactions in their learning environment, whether in person or digital. Assessing and measuring engagement can be challenging. However, there are ways to provide insights into learner engagement. This includes activities such as contributing to discussions, asking questions, submitting assignments, and actively taking part in group projects or collaborative activities. Learners who consistently meet deadlines and submit their work promptly demonstrate responsibility and engagement with the learning process. Assessing the quality and thoughtfulness of learners' contributions to discussions and assignments can indicate their level of engagement. Look for responses that demonstrate critical thinking, reflection, and the application of concepts. Learners who take the initiative to go beyond the basic requirements of the course, such as conducting additional research, asking insightful questions, or initiating discussions, exhibit higher levels of engagement. Ethically monitoring learners' interactions with their peers, such as offering constructive feedback or engaging in collaborative problem solving, can provide evidence of their engagement in the learning community. Educators can use the Hāpara suite to facilitate learner engagement. Here are some strategies you can explore. Offer learners various options for engaging with the content and demonstrating their learning. For example, allow learners to choose alternate ways to engage, such as creating a video presentation, writing a reflective blog post, or participating in a virtual debate. Educators can use Hāpara Workspace and the grouping feature to provide learners with multiple learning pathways. Use Hāpara's tools to provide individualized feedback to learners. Offering specific, constructive feedback helps learners feel recognized and encourages them to stay engaged. Educators can use Teacher Dashboard and highlights to pop into learners' work and leave real-time feedback to support or redirect a learner. Utilize the Hāpara suite to foster collaboration among learners. Encourage group projects, virtual discussions, and peer feedback. You can enhance engagement by facilitating interactions and creating a sense of community. Educators can assign learners to specific groups using highlights and workspace to meet their individual needs and interests. By being open and transparent with learners, Hāpara allows educators to track learners' progress and ethically monitor their activity within the platform. While this data alone may not provide a complete picture of engagement, it can help identify patterns and potential areas for intervention or additional support. For example, educators can use the Snaps feature in highlights to record evidence of learning, the need to redirect a learner, or reteach a concept that learners are not grasping. Encourage learners to maintain reflective journals or digital portfolios. This practice can help them document their learning journey, set goals, and engage in metacognitive thinking. For example, journals or portfolios can be set up and accessed through Google Docs or Slides, in Teacher Dashboard, highlights, or even embedded in Hāpara Workspace. The Hāpara suite offers flexibility that meets the needs of educators and learners. Measuring student engagement is important for assessing learners' involvement, participation, and overall learning experience. It helps educators understand how effectively learners interact with the course content and their peers. Educators can gather valuable insights to provide feedback and redirection to maximize student learning. Thanks for watching.